Want to impress customers and stakeholders and leave a lasting impression? For companies to stay competitive, it's crucial to innovate in the product department and make it known. This product showcase presentation uses stunning visuals and unique movements to capture the eyes and hearts of an audience. It includes demo and mock-up tools, key metric highlights, interactive maps, product lifecycle, plus many more tools that you can download and customize to your needs. Let's review how these designs work and how each one can help businesses develop and test best-in-class products. Product demos are a vital part during the development process and when the product finally gets launched. As many products are digital nowadays, be prepared to have tools to visualize a website or a mobile app. In the middle of this slide, show your main product mockup. If you'd prefer, replace the smartphone graphic with a laptop or a tablet. On the sides, use the space to list key features and highlights that make your product stand out. See the arrows next to the phone? If you're feeling extra fancy, you can even add multiple frames to this showcase slide and flick through to compare. One way you could use the multiple graphics in this slide is to visualize your product's red route. In other words, the critical task in your customer journey. Each frame in the mockup should show what the user sees as they interact with the product across these touchpoints. This slide is perfect for conceptualizing your product in terms of device compatibility. How will the product appear on desktop versus mobile? And is the design consistent across different devices? While this might seem like a minor design detail, the lack of consistency and compatibility across different devices can really put a dent on the user experience and possibly fumble the bag. So great, your product seems stunning, but when it comes to getting buy-ins from stakeholders and investors, numbers are the ultimate proof. Customer demographics are mostly useful to know, but remember, not every common demographic metric is relevant for all products. So make sure you highlight the most salient information. If you're selling a skincare product, it would probably be helpful to know the customer's gender and age breakdown. But if you're developing a navigation app, geography and location are probably the most important. This comparison infographic is great for tracking performance change over time, such as sales and revenue. Many companies have several income streams. Amazon earns from e-commerce sales, its web services product, and much more. So a pie chart visualization is useful for tracking change in different components over time. Next, use this slide to observe the virality of your product or content. If the viral coefficient here is 1.23, that means on average, one customer brings in 1.23 new customers. Needless to say, it'd be any business's dream to dial that number up. Use this tool to add color and context to your user data. And remember, if you like the tools in this presentation, you can download and customize them for your needs right now. The next set of tools focus on showcasing the product's reach when it comes to markets and locations. Does your venture have offices around the world? If so, the use cases for this customizable world map are many. Easily compare sales performance in different regions worldwide. Feel free to use the world map in conjunction with this regional map. Use it to zoom in on a country or region with more specific data. Maybe you just launched a new product in North America. How is it performing? Any number that shows success and traction is your ally. This product category tool is great for visualizing your product mix. For example, Apple has wearables, phones, tablets, and more. Use this to showcase the diversity of your product categories and how they work together to make the business a cash cow. Admittedly, not all products are created equal. You'll usually end up with no more than one or two products that generate most of the revenue. When that happens, highlight the goods that do the heavy lifting. In Apple's case, the iPhone takes the cake. Most products go through a product life cycle. This graph visualizes the relationship between the product's age and its business values. The initial development phase is followed by market introduction and hopefully growth as sales increase. The product will mature as it reaches its heyday, but nothing lasts forever. The inevitable decline comes when competitors catch up or users are no longer as excited. Use this tool to gauge where in its life cycle your product currently sits. This will help clarify the next strategic move. A good product deserves to shine, so use this customizable product showcase to bring out the high energy and make your creation unforgettable. After that, go check out our ultimate pitch deck video to find out how to get the resources you need to bring big ideas to life. Thank you so much for watching.